Guys, as you can see, so this is our last this thing, our last setup. And as I said earlier, this is the jump 25 index, and if you really know what you're doing, you make cool money. So our stop loss should be around this level. Then okay, all right guys, let's mark it out. This is our second setup. As you can see it, guys, this is how we analyze the market correctly, shorting it down, and booking some cool cash, doing what matters most to us with those who matters most to us. So this is our point of interest. Let me rehearse back again and show you what really happened. I said something. Let me go to the 4-hour time frame, the H4 time frame, and still make the same analysis of what really transpired. I said something powerful here. I said this is an uptrend and we have a shift in momentum, in market momentum, to the downside, right, to the sell side. All right, see what happened. I said our structure has told us that this market has moved forward for a period of time. Then suddenly at this level, there is a shift of momentum to the sell side, because price has not have so much momentum to break this higher high. So there was a shift, and for this shift of momentum to be valid, we have to see price break this low, right? To break this low, then we have market now come down and break this particular low, and we streamline downward to our 30M time frame, because I like taking my entries from the 30M time frame, and we see how price plays out correctly, without drama, without everything. And I show you how I take in my entry, you understand, how I identify my point of interest without no much drama. All right, so let me show you what really happened. So when we came downward to the 30M time frame, I still read my structure correctly. I already know that the market is really going to sell. But when I came into the 30M time frame, discovered that there is a counter trend structure forming to the upward movement, to the upside, right? A counter trend structure forming to the upside, and I read the structure correctly, not violating the counter trend structure. I'm not interested in buying. I'm only interested in selling. So I read my structure correctly. Now what am I expecting of the structure right here? I connect my point A and point B, taking my trend line. Can you see? As I take in my trend line, I connect my point A and B correctly. All right guys, so see what really happens, see what really transpire from this level. As I told you, now what am I expecting? This is my support line, my horizontal support line, which I have marked it in this higher low, because this higher low is a very sensitive level, and I'm waiting for price to come patiently without being in haste. I want to see price coming to break this higher low. When it breaks this higher low, in most scenario you will see a retest coming back. But at this scenario, if you check very well, there was a retest, but the retest was not to this level. The retest was to this higher low. Let me mark it for you so that you will see the retest. So market now, when market break, and I have to see market break my counter trend line support and the horizontal support line with a full body, then I shoot in the trigger. That is aggressive entry. And if I want to enter conservatively, I want to see price now break with a candle body and come back and retest, which I have the retest again, right? Which I have the same retest to this level. Then market crash downward. So this is how we streamline everything, and we milk the market, doing what matters most to us with those who matters most to us. Then we have a case scenario here again. We are still in a downward movement, but we have a counter trend structure moving to the upward. right? But it's a short time movement. I'm only interested in what? I'm only interested in selling. So what am I going to do? What is required of me is to carry my what? My trend line and connect point A and point B. And I did that correctly. After I connect it, I carry my what? My horizontal support line to the point B and fix it there correctly and wait for the what? And wait for the movement of price. So I have price now come in, break in with the body, but there is a wick. This is a sign of rejection, but I will not be in a haste. I will still study the market correctly again and wait forward and wait for the reaction of price to the downside. I know that this is my point of interest, right? My point of interest, and I'm interested in shorting the market at that same level. So price now came up, you understand? Price came up and price has not given me what? A long time higher high. It crashed downward. So when price was coming back now, I have to see price what? I have to see price take this low and still take my counter trend support line and trend line. So it breaks it. So at this level where you see my demonstration cursor is, I shoot in the trigger and my stop loss which should be around this level. So this is how we short the jump index. It is simple as ABC. Simple as ABC. You cannot be in this channel and you will not be learning things that will really help you in your trading career. I help you rewire your thinking pattern and show you how you're going to make money in this forex business correctly. It's not about chasing money, it's about working, is having a quality trading plan and a system that works. And if you follow the process correctly, you will make cool cash. We are not chasing money, we are chasing process. You understand? And our process is a makeup of what? Is a makeup of trading plan and system, and all the arsenals that you have been looking for to succeed in the derivative indices market is here available for you in this channel. Don't forget to share this video, let it go viral. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is very important, it is very crucial, very paramount. And don't forget guys to click the link below this video to join to my Telegram community, very big community that will help you to be consistent in this industry. And if you want to get my ADX Mastery ebook, this is an indicator driven strategy for the people called to analyze the market. You can work with it so that you will be profitable, also doing what matters most to you with those who matters most to you. Cheers, peace out.